A unique fork with frequency 800 Hz produces resonance in a resonance column tube with upper end open and lower end closed by water surface. Successive resonances are observed at a length of 9.75 centimeter. Yes or no? Then 9.75 centimeter, 31.25 and 52.75 centimeter. The speed of the sound in air is how much? Frequency is, let frequency nu, that is frequency is equal to how much given? 800 Hertz. Pipe is closed at one end. Yes or no? And here successive resonances are observed at a length of 9.75, 31.25 and 52.75. Three things he has given, three lengths. L3, let this is L1, let this is L2 and this is L3. Yes or no? So the gap between each successive collision, that will give me wavelength, that is L3 minus L2, that is also equal to L2 minus L1. Equal gap, that each successive collision means that is half of wavelength lambda by 2. That is equal to how much? 31.25 minus 9.75. We will get it as 21.5 centimeter. 21.5 centimeter. Okay. So lambda by 2 is equal to 21.5 centimeter. So wavelength lambda will be how much? 43 centimeter, double, 2 multiplied. And you know, wave velocity is equal to lambda by t. Yes or no? Wave velocity, you know, wave velocity is equal to wavelength by time. Wavelength by time. So that is V is equal to lambda by t. And you will take 1 by t as frequency, then V is equal to nu lambda. Yes or no? Yes or no? So that means if he is asking the speed of the sound, V is equal to nu lambda, then V is equal to how much? Lambda into wavelength. Yes or no? So V is equal to how much? See here. Frequency is given 800 Hertz and V we got is 43. Yes or no? 43 is the wavelength, length of one wavelength. Yes or no? This is 43 centimeter. Okay. And how many waves you are seeing? Frequency of 800 Hertz produces resonance in a resonance column tube with upper end open and lower end closed. Yes or no? So wave velocity is equal to V into lambda. Yes or no? Frequency you know how much? 800. In place of frequency we put 800. And here you see option is given in meter per second. So 43 has to be converted into meter. So that is 43 by 100. 43 centimeter is equal to 43 by 100 meter. So into 43 by 100. 108 cancel. 43 into 8 how much? 344 meter per second. Understood? So the speed of sound in air is how much? 344 meter per second. Velocity is equal to 344 meter per second. Let's go to the next question. See here. A tuning fork is used to produce a resonance in a glass tube. The length of the air column in this tube can be adjusted by a variable piston. At room temperature of 27 degrees Celsius, two successive resonances are produced. That is 20 centimeter and 73 centimeter of column of length. If frequency of tuning fork is 320 Hz, then the velocity of sound in air at 27 degrees centigrade is how much? See, here the velocity of sound in air at 27 degrees centigrade is equal to how much? What we have to do? Velocity means what we have to do? Lambda into F. How to find lambda? What is the length of the wave? Two lengths column given 20 centimeter and 73 centimeter. So like the previous problem, see here, by subtracting the length, you can get that is lambda by 2. So here lambda by 2, half of wavelength is equal to how much? 73 minus 20. How much?
106 centimeters.
53. So that is lambda is going to be how much? 106 centimeter. Yes or no? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then wave velocity is equal to lambda into f, 106 into how much? 320. Yes or no? Into 10 to the minus 2. Why? Because here centimeter na? 106
Yes.
into 10 to the minus 2 meter. So by multiplying near about, we are going to get it as 339.2 meter per second. That is approximately 339 meter per second. This is the velocity of sound in air. The fundamental frequency in an open organ pipe is equal to the third harmonic of a closed organ pipe. If the length of the closed organ pipe is 20 centimeter, then the length of the open organ pipe is how much? Students, you know, for a closed organ pipe, 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 you know, third harmonic is 3 mu by 4L. Yes or no? And in the question he has given third harmonic of a closed organ pipe is equal to the fundamental frequency. That means for open organ pipe, fundamental frequency is equal to, for open organ pipe, fundamental frequency is equal to fundamental frequency is equal to V by 2L dash, different lengths. Yes or no? And given that the third harmonic for closed organ pipe is equal to fundamental frequency, so we can compare both. By 4L is equal to how much? By 2L dash. Yes or no? So we cancel. Then L dash we want to find, that is equal to how much? 4L divided by 3 into 2. That is equal to 2L by 3. And that is L given how much? 20 centimeters. So 2 into 20, sorry, 2 into 20 by 3. 40 by 3, that is 13.33. So near about it is, so the length of the open organ pipe is 13.2 centimeter. The two nearest harmonics of a tube closed at one end and open at other end are 220 Hz and 260 Hz. What is the fundamental frequency of the student system? Friends, nearest harmonics of an organ pipe closed at one end, that you know, is twice of its fundamental frequency. Two nearest harmonics of a tube is, so that means these are these 220 and 260. So nearest harmonics is equal to how much? That is twice of the fundamental frequency. That means in frequency is nu, then 2 nu is equal to, is the gap, 260 minus 220. So that is equal to how much? 2 nu is equal to 40. Definitely nu is equal to how much? 20 hertz. Okay, 20 hertz. Two nearest harmonics of a tube. Two nearest harmonics, one end and open, closed at one end and open at the other end. Two harmonics means two times of fundamental frequency, that is 2 nu, and the gap is 220 is at one end and other end is 260. So what is that gap? So it is 40 and 2 nu is equal to 40. So nu is equal to 20 hertz. Let's go to the next question. Here, Doppler's effect. Listen. Two cars moving in opposite directions approach each other with a speed of 22 meter per second and 16.5 meter per second respectively. The driver of the first car blows a horn having a frequency 400 hertz. The frequency heard by the driver of the second car is how much? Velocity of sound is given this much. Hence, the required frequency of sound heard by the driver of the second car, opposite direction. In case of opposite direction, frequency is equal to original frequency into V plus V naught observer and listener velocity plus velocity of observer V minus velocity of source. Listen. And V is what? Velocity of sound. Listen. V naught is velocity of observer and Vs is velocity of the source. This means fast car. So I can get nu dash is equal to directly use 400 hertz whole into velocity of sound 340 plus velocity of observer how much? 16.5 divided by 340 minus 22. This is directly formula. So that is equal to 400 into 356.5 divided by 318. So near about by solving u dash is equal to 448 hertz. The second overtone of an open organ pipe has the same frequency as the first overtone of a closed pipe, L meter long. The length of the open pipe will be how much? And second overtone of an organ pipe means what? Second overtone of an organ pipe means third harmonic. Means third harmonic. So third harmonic means 3 nu naught. Listen. And that is fundamental harmonics how much? V by 2L dash fundamental frequency. So that is fast overtone of a closed organ pipe. Fast overtone of has the same frequency as fast overtone of a closed organ pipe. And if I'll go for fast overtone of closed organ pipe, this is for open organ pipe. And if I'll go for fast overtone of fast overtone of a closed organ pipe, overtone of a closed organ pipe. So fast overtone of a closed organ pipe is equal to how much? That is equal to third of open. Listen. So that is 3V naught is equal to 3 into V by 4L. So both are equal. He's saying both are equal. That means 3 into V by 2L dash is equal to 3 into V by 4L. And solve this one, you will get what? L dash is equal to how much? 3 cancel. 2 by 2 V. This one cancel. Then N dash is equal to 2 times of L. So if length of the length of the open pipe is how much? Double of. A siren emitting a sound of frequency 800 Hz moves away from an observer towards a cliff at a speed of 15 meters per second. Then the frequency of the sound that the observer hears in the echo reflected from the cliff is how much? That means students here, frequency of sound emitted by the siren is how much? Nu naught is equal to frequency is equal to how much? 800 Hz. Correct. And speed of source Vs is equal to how much? 15 meter per second. Given. Yes or no? Speed of sound in air is given in the question. Velocity of sound in air, the air is equal to how much? That is medium 330 meter per second. Apparent frequency of the sound at the cliff that we want to find the apparent frequency. Nu dash is equal to how much? Yes or no? So you know, as per Doppler's effect, nu is equal to how much? Velocity by velocity of sound in air minus velocity of source whole into nu naught. So that is 330 minus 330 minus 15 into 800. So by solving, we'll get it near about 838.09. That is near about 838 hertz. An air column closed at one end and open at the other resonates with a tuning fork. When the smallest length of the column is 50 centimeter, the next larger length of the column resonating with the same frequency is how much? That means, students, you see that it closed is like this. Let it is a tuning fork. And if it is vibrating at new frequency let, so that means well, half of the cycle. That means total full cycle. See here, full cycle is lambda. Yes or no? Half cycle is lambda by 2. पूरा कितना है lambda? This to this is how much? Lambda by 2. But here he is giving resonance with a tuning fork when the smallest length of the column is 50 centimeters. Exam only has given this is lambda by 4. It's like this. And this length is L. This will be how much? Lambda by 4. And this is how much? 50 centimeter. This length is how much? 50 centimeter. That means fast harmonic is obtained at what? Fast harmonic is obtained at L is equal to lambda by 4. That is equal to 50 centimeter. Fundamental. And in the second case, what is happening in the second case? Diagram only. Let I am taking a wave here. Like this it is happening. Not 2, only 1.5 seconds. See here. This is one and another one is like this. Yes or no? And here is the tuning fork. It is same frequency and the length is now L dash. Now the length is L dash. And this is how much? 1/2 cycle. Yes or no? That is lambda by 4. Again, plus lambda by 2. Then how much will be this one? 3 lambda by 4. The length will be 3 lambda by 4. And here length is equal to L dash is equal to how much? 3 lambda by 4. That is equal to how much? Lambda by 4 is equal to 50. Then 3 lambda by 4 is going to be how much? 3 into 50, that is 150 centimeter. So he's asking the next larger length of the column resonating with the same tuning fork. So that will be 150 centimeter. A uniform rope of length L and mass M1 hangs vertically from a rigid support. A block of mass M2 is attached to the free end of the rope. A transport pulse of wavelength lambda 1 is produced at the lower end of the rope. The wavelength of the pulse when it reaches the top of the rope is how much? That means this is the rope of mass M1. In that there is a block of mass M2 is hanging. Friends, wavelength of the pulse at the lower end, you know, lambda 1 is proportional to velocity, that is v1, that is equal to v1 by mu. Okay. And here Similarly, in the second case, lambda 2 proportional to V2, that is equal to T2 by mu. Yes, sir. Same for mu is same for both. Yes, sir. So lambda 1 by lambda 2 is equal to T2 by T1 root over directly. Extension that is equal to M1 plus M2. Both mass T2 is equal to how much? M1 plus M2 into total weight G divided by only T1. Tension in the first is M1G root under GG cancel. So that is the ratio of lambda 2 by lambda 1 is equal to how much? M1 plus M2 divided by M2G last. That is M1 plus M2. The string is stretched between fixed points separated by 75 centimeters. It is observed that to have a resonant frequency of 420 Hz and 315 Hz, there are no other resonant frequencies between these two. The lowest resonant frequency of this string is how much? Friends, for a string fixed at both ends, the resonant frequencies are how much? Resonant frequencies are nothing but L, fundamental frequency, by 2L. Where N is equal to first, second, third, like that we can find. And the difference between two consecutive resonant frequencies. So it's the difference between two consecutive resonant frequencies. Consecutive resonant frequencies are change in frequency is equal to let n plus 1 new n plus 1 minus new n. So that is equal to new n plus 1 means n plus 1 into new fundamental frequency divided by 12 minus n new divided by 12. So solving this, what we are getting? New by 12. So that is the lowest resonant frequency. If you put here the value of n is equal to 1, then that we are getting now. This is what? This new by 12 is nothing but the lowest resonant frequency. Is the lowest resonant frequency. Okay. So that is equal to how much? 420. It is observed that to have resonant frequencies 420 minus 315 is equal to 105 Hz. So there are no other resonant frequencies between these two. So the lowest resonant frequency for this string is how much? 105 Hz.